Hey, what's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with another tech review. This time we're going to be looking at some Bluetooth headphones that I just got in from WRZ. Let me tell you a little bit about these headphones. They actually come in 6 different colors. They were able to get me over a couple of different ones. This is the white and this is the red for these headphones. Now, most headphones that are wireless, these are wired wireless headphones. They don't plug into anything, but they still have this wire that connects. These are meant to be worn behind your head, around your neck, and once they're around, they actually clasp together in the front, so they're not actually bongling around on your chest. So they have these cool magnetic clasps right there. You get the ergonomic ear flaps in here. They're gonna hold them in your ear. Let's open up the pack and see what it looks like on the inside. So once you have this open, this is a little carrying case that comes from WRZ. They give you this charging adapter. This is just micro USB. They give you some different little wing tips and some actual replacement earpieces, small, medium, and large. And then you get the mesh pocket on the inside for storing all these things, and you also get this cool carrying case. Now the carrying case has microfiber lining. It's going to protect your headphones. I have the red pair actually hooked up to my iPad Pro right here. You know, iPad Pro does not have a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, so you're going to have something that has Bluetooth capabilities. So why not check out these cool headphones from WRZ? Now these are really made for workout, but they're also made for leisure time. Now the reason I'm saying they're made for workout is because these are waterproof. These are 100% waterproof, so for those intense workouts, you're not gonna mess your headphones up. Just to do a little real estate on here, this is your blinking LED light, lets you know that Bluetooth is connected. This is your power on button, power off. You have volume up and volume down. Now these headphones also will allow you to talk on your cell phone, so that's another cool feature that they have. You're gonna get 10 hours out of these, 240 or 260 hours of standby time, 10 hours of actual listening time out of these. So I think it's a real good investment, and you can get these for under 25 bucks. I'll be sure to leave a link below so you can go by Amazon and check them out. But remember, this is WRZ. I'm gonna show you that I do have it hooked up to my iPad right now. I'm gonna come out of there, go to my Bluetooth settings, and voila, there we go. It's gonna come up as S8. It is connected. If you hit that, you can just disconnect or forget the device, but we do have them connected. They do noise cancel, so they're gonna cancel out that noise. They're gonna give you some good quality stereo sound. They're really, really nice. I wanna see if I can get some audio for this, so give me 1 second. I'll be right back. So I got music playing. I want you to notice volume control actually on the screen. So as I'm pressing that, you get the volume control on the screen, so you can control your volume from here. You're seeing that this does work. I'm gonna turn it all the way up. May not be able to hear it, but it is playing. Has pretty good sound quality. I'm really enjoying that. One thing I did not mention is the way you're going to charge these up. These do have a lithium ion battery. You're going to remove this little piece and plug in your micro USB adapter, plug it into a wall socket that you already have, and then you're going to charge it on the go. Charge it at home, charge it wherever you need. Go check them out. WRZ, check them out on Amazon. I'll be sure to leave a link below to this device so you can go pick you up some of these nice waterproof wired wireless headphones. Hope this is able to help someone. Until next time, please give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.